Good morning, fellow Ambazonians. Now me, the Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonia Defense Forces, I want to talk for now as the frontline communicator as well about the use of fake news as a weapon of war by the Cameroon military, who is battling against the Ambazonians' resistance and liberation war. These messages, these fake news, stop sharing them. You may think that they are attacking Capo Daniel, Lucas Asu, and Ayabacho and the ADF. They are not. They are targeting the core of our liberation struggle, the core of a war that 8 million of our citizens depend on for their freedom and their liberty. The first fake flyer that came out carries the name of Dr. Cho Ayaba, saying he has stopped the ghost town. Ebenezer Kwanga used it in his official capacity in his platform. The second one came out saying Ayaba Cho have changed ghost town from Monday to Tuesday, which was all lie and fake news. It was used by these people. The other one came out that me, the Deputy Defense Chief, have appointed No Pity, which was all fake news, trying to put ADF against other sister forces. These are not messages targeting me, Lucas, and Ayabacho. They are messages attacking the core of our revolution to destroy it. And they are being used by Chris Anu and Sako's faction for distribution. They are being produced, make no mistake, by Cameroon military and government. Konda Titus is an attaché to the Cameroon military. So these are Cameroon military material meant to destroy the Ambazonian revolution. Chris Anu and Sako and their group have become their workers. They are the primary distributor. They have used it on ABC. Make no mistake, these are enemy materials. Because if Chris Anu is using these materials on his official TV channel, it means that it is not coming from them. One would guess. So if it is not coming from them, it is coming from who? Definitely not from us, because those positions are not consistent with what we have been telling the people and what we have been giving, the instructions we give to our soldiers on the ground. So these are Cameroon military materials to sow infighting, chaos within the Ambazonian revolution, and to further divide us. Our people should be united against this common enemy, Cameroon, which is the main destroyer of our revolution and the hope of our people. Do not share them. And notice people who share those fake informations. They are working for La République. Remember that La République attempt to divide us and put us against the sister forces have been the primary objective of Sako and Chris Anu. That should tell you who they are working for. The fact that they are the people sharing this fake news will tell you who they are working for. Remember that these fake news do not target us. It targets the revolution itself. So know who wants to destroy this revolution for a quick fix that do not resolve or that do not meet the aspiration of the people. It is the people who are in Swiss. They have actually come up to announce this fake end of ghost town. Go and look at Innocent Chia's Twitter account. They have said it is part of their Team Ambazonia. Their agenda and the agenda of La République du Cameroun are the same. If you are mingling with these people, working with these people, you are prolonging this revolution, because these people are giving the impression to the international community that we can blink for small private personal benefit they will give us in Swiss. They are already on monthly allowance from the HD. Make no mistake, these are people working now. They have reduced themselves to be working for Konda Titus, not even directly with the Cameroon Prime Minister or their government, as other traitors like Success Nkongo and the rest, and Nicolas Santos have turned to. So make no mistakes, who is fighting for you and who is working for the enemy. But beat me once, lie me once, shame on me. Twice, shame on you. Twice, shame on me. So make una stop for share these fake messages and fake videos and fake information. Them need the target na ADF. If you just get your matter with ADF, you feel say you fight na against ADF. No, you fight na against Ambazonia. ADF don't be focused for fight against La République. Our general they don't talk, our frontline communicator they don't talk. We will continue for focus against La République. Make all man a focus against this one enemy way they kill our people anyhow every single day. Innocent civilians they be slaughtered. We must fight this terrorism with all we've got. All hands are needed. God bless you now.